Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Simple Savings. You clicked on this video because you want to know how you can get free car repair. I'm going to tell you right now. You're already there. It's YouTube. You can DIY anything with YouTube and it will cost you little to nothing. I know you thought I was going to give you some wild, crazy, super secret tip, but it's that simple. And I've got some examples to explain how it happens.
Be strong.
Okay, here's what I'm talking about. About a month ago, it starts getting warm here in the Mid-South, so I crank on my AC, and all I get is hot air, but only from my driver's side. Passenger side and in the back is blowing nice cold air, but in my face is hot air. I don't know what to do, so I start thinking of what's it going to cost, where I'm going to take it, and what am I going to drive while it's getting fixed. Well, in the meantime, my father-in-law goes, "Hey, why don't you check YouTube?" I'm thinking this is going to cost me $200 to $300 at the dealership for them to fix something. I go on YouTube and within 5 minutes I find a fix. And within 2 minutes later, it's done. I've got another friend whose DVD player quit working in their van. Electrical stuff, I have no idea. But he went on YouTube, typed in his problem, found the fix that only cost him a $5 part. That could have easily been a $500 job. So, do your own research first. Now listen, I know YouTube isn't going to fix every problem, and sometimes you've got to call a repairman, you've got to find a repair shop, and pay someone to fix whatever's broken. But don't go with the first one you call or the first truck you see driving down the road. Big secret, 2 to 3 quotes on whatever it is can save you tons of money. All right, here's a great example. My dad and his neighbor both needed a new fence. My dad went and got 2 to 3 quotes. His neighbor didn't. His neighbor took the first one he called, and his neighbor paid twice as much. With lumber costs today, that's thousands of dollars. Before you rush to a repair shop, do your research. Whether it's for your car, appliance, your house, someone's had the problem before, and they may have made a YouTube video on how to fix it that will cost you little to nothing. And it can easily save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. So, don't rush for the easy fix. Always get multiple quotes. Don't take the first one. That can save you hundreds or thousands of dollars. A little money looking for the best deal is almost always worth your time. And the last thing, the amount of free knowledge on YouTube where you are right now is astounding. So get out there, learn something, and save you some money.